In this video, we're going to talk about the best Wi-Fi thermostat on the market currently for systems without a common wire, and this is especially true for boilers. And we're also going to cover some of the nuances to consider that make this a great option when compared to some of the other Wi-Fi thermostats in the market right now. Now, this thermostat is also good as a Wi-Fi thermostat for any traditional system. So if you have a standard forced air HVAC system, I'm not by any means steering you away from this, because this is still a great option over the Nest or Ecobee product, for example, especially if you are in a situation where you went to install another Wi-Fi thermostat only to find out that you don't have a C wire and therefore the Wi-Fi thermostat you just purchased won't work. And if you're tuning into the channel for the first time, make sure you smash that like button for the algorithm and subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this content so far. And we put out daily and weekly content on how you can get the best HVAC for your home, as well as the latest in HVAC technology. So if you have a question about a specific situation or application, post a comment in the comment section below, letting us know what you think or what you need help with. We're always looking for great content ideas that are useful for our viewers. So if you have a suggestion, make sure you drop that in the comment section. And the ST55 thermostat that we are discussing today will also be linked in the description as well. So if you're interested in purchasing this, there'll be a link to the thermostat on Amazon for your convenience. Now, this particular thermostat, the Sensi ST55, is excellent for boiler applications because most Honeywell zone valves only require a 2-wire system, and this thermostat is therefore easily compatible in that application since there is no C-wire available. So if you are looking for a Wi-Fi compatible thermostat and realize that you can't hook up a Nest to your boiler system, this is going to be a great alternative. And this is also a great alternative if you're looking for a cheaper thermostat than a Nest or Ecobee, as this is going to run you slightly less. Part of the reason this is going to be more economical as an option as well is especially true if you need to add a C-wire, because with a traditional Ecobee or Nest thermostat, you will be required to add a power extender kit, which is just an added expense in order to power the thermostat. Now, the reason that Wi-Fi thermostats require a C-wire is because they do not run primarily on batteries. Most Wi-Fi thermostats have an integrated rechargeable battery that steals power and charges itself, and then when it needs to turn the system on and the relay closes, the battery is what actually keeps the thermostat powered on through the heating and cooling cycles. And if you have a C-wire, also known as a common wire, this thermostat will still work for you, and in addition, the thermostat actually won't have to steal power from one of the other wires when it's in the off mode. And if all that just confused you, don't worry. The long story short is that this thermostat works in a variety of applications, and there's no limitation that's going to prevent this from integrating with your system, which is why I think it's a pretty good option. If you pull your thermostat off the wall and you see 2 wires, the bottom line is this thermostat will work. Now, as far as some of the features and integrations that this has, it's going to have most of the integrations that you're used to. This thermostat has its own Wi-Fi app, just like some of the other products out there, and it also integrates with a variety of integrations, including Vera, Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, as well as SmartThings. And in addition to all of these integrations, you can also pair it with remote room sensors, which allows you to take a temperature reading from multiple rooms throughout your home in the event that you have uneven temperature distribution, which is a pretty common problem in most homes. So from a functionality standpoint, it's right up there with the rest of them in terms of the features and the options that are available. Again, I think the best use for this thermostat is anytime you don't have a C-wire, or if you have a boiler system, then it's an absolute no-brainer. This is a great thermostat for that application. And as mentioned earlier, there's a link to this thermostat in the description for your convenience. And if you happen to be in one of the areas we service, like Denver, Colorado, or Phoenix, Arizona, you can actually schedule an appointment with us for free. We come out for free for all first-time customers, whether that's for a service call or annual maintenance, or if you're just looking for an estimate for system replacement. And there's actually a link in the description below where you can actually schedule online at your convenience, as well as an up-to-date list of the cities and states that we service, so you can stay up to date when we start servicing your metro. So make sure you check that out if this is something you're considering. And as mentioned earlier, right now there's a few videos popping up on the screen, so make sure you check those out if you haven't done so already, and we'll catch you on the next episode.